Do you think you already know every feature on the car you're driving? You might be surprised. More than 80% of drivers overlook small but extremely useful details hidden right inside their vehicles. From safety mechanisms that only activate during a crash to convenience features that can help you drive easier and safer and even save money on repairs. In this video, you'll discover 15 hidden features that even longtime drivers often miss. Subscribe to the channel to get the latest video updates. One, emergency trunk release. If you've ever seen news about people getting trapped in a trunk, you'll understand why this small detail matters so much. Most drivers know that every car has it, but very few actually know where it is, what it looks like, or how to pull it in an emergency. And that's the real problem. The emergency trunk release is a glow-in-the-dark handle inside the trunk, right next to the latch. Just pull it lightly and the trunk will pop open, even if the car is locked. This feature has been mandatory since 2002, yet many people who've owned their car for more than 10 years have never touched it. Here's the concern. Once the trunk closes, the inside is pitch dark and cramped. If a child or elderly person gets trapped, staying calm and locating the handle is extremely difficult. That's why you should take literally 10 seconds to check where it is and how to pull it. 2. Advanced Bluetooth features. Most drivers only use Bluetooth for the basics, music and phone calls. But you might be surprised to know that modern car Bluetooth systems have hidden features almost no one uses. And because of that, many people unintentionally drive without conveniences they could already have. Bluetooth can read text messages aloud, let you reply with preset responses, and give you full access to your contacts using just one voice command. Many people never turn these features on, then end up holding their phones while driving, unsafe and illegal. Another commonly overlooked feature, dual phone connection. If you're with your spouse or use a separate work phone, the car can prioritize your main device while still staying connected to the second one. No arguments about whose phone connects first, and no need to manually disconnect every time someone else drives. 3. Seatbelt loops. On the passenger seatbelt, you'll see a small stitched fabric loop. It's not an extra piece, and it's definitely not decorative. It's a special tear-controlled stitch designed to rip open during a strong collision. When the impact force is too high, this stitching breaks in a controlled way, letting the seatbelt extend just slightly. That tiny amount of extra slack reduces the pressure on the chest and neck, the two areas most vulnerable in a frontal crash. It looks simple, but it significantly lowers injury risk. Here's what most people never notice. Only the passenger seat belt has this feature. The driver's belt does not. And because it blends into the belt itself, many drivers go years without knowing what it does. Next time you get in your car, check the belt again. Small details like this are the reason many people walk away from crashes with far fewer injuries. 4. Hill hold assist. If you've ever stopped on a steep hill and had to hold the brake while nervously switching to the gas pedal, you know how even a 1-inch rollback can make your heart jump. It stresses new drivers and even experienced ones, especially when another car is right behind you. Hill hold assist was created to solve that exact stressful moment. When you release the brake to move your foot to the gas, the system automatically holds the car in place for a few seconds. It doesn't beep, it doesn't flash. It simply keeps your car still, so you can pull forward smoothly without rolling back into the vehicle behind you. The surprising thing is that many people have this feature but don't know it exists. Others assume the car just holds itself a bit because the brakes are strong, not because the technology is helping. Some cars even allow you to turn it on or off in the settings menu, but because most drivers rarely explore the deeper menus, the feature stays forgotten. 5. Hidden backup key. Getting locked out of your own car is never a pleasant experience. Whether you left the key inside, your key fob battery died, or the doors auto-locked, Standing helplessly next to your own vehicle is incredibly frustrating. What most people don't realize is that many modern cars already include a built-in backup plan. Drivers just don't know about it. The mechanical key inside the key fob is the obvious one, but many cars also have a hidden keyhole under the passenger side door handle. You just pry off the small plastic cover, and it appears. A lot of drivers only check the driver's door, assume their car doesn't have a keyhole, and completely miss the real backup access point. Some manufacturers even offer a magnetic spare key box mounted under the car as a dealer option. It's usually placed on the frame, the rear bumper bracket, or a support beam, hidden enough that thieves won't find it, but extremely useful when you need emergency access. If your car doesn't have one, you can still install a magnetic key box yourself for just a few dollars. 6. Headlight alignment screws. If you've ever driven at night and felt like your headlights weren't lighting up enough road, or if oncoming cars keep flashing their high beams at you, your headlights are likely misaligned. The surprising part? Most drivers don't know headlights can be adjusted at home with nothing more than a screwdriver. Misaligned headlights aren't just annoying, they're dangerous. Lights that are too low reduce your visibility, especially on dark highways or rural roads. Lights that are too high blind oncoming drivers and can easily cause an accident you never intended. Yet many garages don't check this during routine maintenance. Behind the headlight assembly, you'll find 1 or 2 white plastic adjustment screws. One adjusts up and down, the other adjusts left and right. Park your car a few feet from a wall, turn on the headlights, and gently turn the screws until the beam hits the correct position. No special tools, no complicated process. Take 3 seconds to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a new video. 7. Rear window defogger. When people think about the rear defogger, they almost always think it clears fog. Turn it on for a few minutes and the fog goes away, and that's it. But this system can handle more problems than you realize, and not knowing how it works often makes the glass fog up again or stay dirty longer. The thin horizontal lines across the rear window are heating elements. When the defogger is turned on, they heat up and not only clear fog, but also soften stubborn residues, long settled moisture, dried haze, and even tough spots like bird droppings or tree sap. Instead of scrubbing and risking scratches, you can simply run the defogger for 10 to 15 minutes and wipe the glass clean much more easily. Another detail many drivers overlook: the rear window fogs up quickly if the inside of the car is still humid. Running the front AC alone won't fix it because air doesn't circulate to the rear as strongly as you think. When the rear defogger warms the glass, it reduces condensation buildup, especially useful during rain or early morning drives. 8. Hidden cabin air filter location. If you turn on the vents and notice odd smells, weak airflow, or dust still coming through even with AC maxed out, the problem isn't the AC unit. Your cabin air filter is probably so dirty it's gasping for air. The funny thing is, most drivers don't know where the cabin filter is located and have no idea it's one of the quickest DIY jobs on the entire car. In most vehicles, the cabin air filter sits right behind the glove box. Squeeze the sides of the glove compartment to lower it, and you'll see a small black cover. Inside is the filter quietly catching dust, pollen, and all sorts of things you don't want to see. Many people let it get so dirty it looks like a mini vacuum bag. Here's the surprising part. Replacing it at a shop can cost you several dozen dollars in labor, while doing it yourself takes under 5 minutes and requires no tools. A clean filter improves airflow, reduces odors, and helps the AC cool faster. All for a $10,015 replacement. 9. Individual tire pressure display. Most drivers only pay attention to the tire warning light on the dashboard. If the light turns on, they inflate the tires. If it turns off, they assume everything is fine. But modern TPMS systems can show the exact PSI for each tire, a feature very few drivers take advantage of. What you need to know is this: Tires don't lose air all at once. They lose a few psi gradually every week. If you rely only on the warning light, you're driving with underinflated tires far more often than you think. That leads to sluggish acceleration, poor fuel economy, uneven tire wear, and even overheating on long highway trips, which is why blowouts and tire bulges happen unexpectedly. In the Vehicle Info or Tire Pressure section of your display, you can see each tire's PSI individually. This is your early warning system. It helps you spot a slow leak, a tire running hotter than others, or pressure that's slightly off compared to the remaining 3 tires. Even a 3 PSI difference tells you something. Maybe you drove over a nail, or maybe the last service inflated the tires unevenly. 10. Mirror position memory. If you share your car with family members, siblings, or co-workers, you probably know the feeling of having to readjust the mirrors every time you get in. Even a slight misalignment changes your blind spots, makes reversing harder, and sometimes forces you to lean your head out just to see properly because the mirror isn't in your position. Many people consider this a small inconvenience, but for someone who drives daily, it's more annoying than you think. Mirror memory functions were created specifically to end the "every driver has a different setting" problem. Yet many cars have this feature, and the owners don't even realize it. With a simple button combination, you can save the mirror angles that match your height, seating posture, and viewing habits. The next time you unlock the car, the mirrors automatically return to your preset. No time wasted, no incorrect viewing angles. Another great detail. Some cars can link mirror positions to each key fob. That means the car recognizes who is driving based on the key you're holding and adjusts the mirrors to your settings instead of the previous drivers. Extremely convenient for households with drivers of different heights and habits. 11. Adjustable automatic wiper sensitivity. Most drivers, when seeing light rain, simply switch the wipers to auto and assume the system will handle everything perfectly. But if you've ever seen the wipers move too quickly during a drizzle, or the windshield is covered in droplets while the wipers still don't activate, it's not because the sensor is faulty. It's because many people don't know the sensitivity is adjustable. On the wiper stalk, there's usually a small dial or set of notches that lets you change sensitivity. Turn it up, and the sensor reacts faster to small droplets, ideal for mist or light rain. Turn it down, and the wipers move more slowly so they don't swipe constantly. It's a quick adjustment, but it makes your visibility much more consistent, especially when driving through changing weather. What most people don't know is that the rain sensor uses infrared light, not humidity detection. A thin layer of dust or oil film on the glass can make the sensor read wrong. Many drivers complain the system is inaccurate, when in reality, cleaning the small area behind the rearview mirror is enough to make it work like new. 12. Hidden headlight washer system. Have you ever driven at night and felt like your headlights suddenly became dim, even though the bulbs are still good? Many drivers assume the bulbs are aging, but there's a simpler reason. The lenses are covered in dirt, mud, or road salt. The interesting part is that many cars come with a built-in headlight washer system. But because no one talks about it, most drivers never realize it exists. Small nozzles hidden in the front bumper pop out and spray high-pressure jets onto the headlights when activated. However, they don't spray every time you wash the windshield. They only activate under certain conditions. When the headlights are on and after the windshield washer is used a specific number of times. Because it works so quietly, many people think the car is leaking when they see water spraying near the front bumper. Here's why it matters. Dirty headlights can reduce light output by up to 40%. You might not notice it because your eyes adjust gradually, but your actual road visibility becomes significantly worse. 13. Advanced customization for adaptive cruise control. Adaptive cruise is more than maintain speed and follow the car ahead. Many drivers use it for years and only press on-off, completely ignoring the advanced settings, features that can make the system behave exactly the way you prefer. The most important setting is the following distance. Set it too close and the car constantly brakes and accelerates in traffic. Very uncomfortable. Set it too far and the gap becomes wide enough for cars to cut in. Choosing the right distance makes the drive smoother and less stressful. Next, many cars let you adjust acceleration and braking intensity. If the car accelerates too aggressively or brakes too sharply for your liking, just lower the response level. For frequent highway driving, a faster reaction mode is often better. Some vehicles even save these settings based on each key fob, so every driver in the household gets their own preferred configuration automatically. 14. Engine block heater. If you live in a cold climate, or you've ever tried starting your car early in the morning only to feel weak ignition, slow throttle response, or hear unusual engine noise, you may have experienced what happens when cold oil becomes thick. That's where the engine block heater comes in. Yet many cars have it and the owner has no idea. The block heater is usually hidden under the front bumper or behind the grille, covered by a small plastic cap with a plug symbol. When connected to an external power source, it warms the engine and oil, making cold starts much easier. Smoother starts, less engine wear, fewer rattling noises, and a lower chance of triggering a check engine light caused by extreme cold. What most people don't expect is that block heaters are useful outside of freezing climates. Mechanics in garages also use these plug ports to power diagnostic tools, pumps, or inspection lights without relying on the car's battery. For long diagnostic sessions, it's an absolute lifesaver. 15. Customizable auto lock settings. Most people think auto lock only works one way. The doors lock when you start driving and unlock when you shift into park. But in reality, many cars can customize how the doors lock, and this is a feature most drivers never touch, even though it affects daily safety. You can program the car to lock at a set speed, lock only when shifting into drive, or unlock only the driver's door on the first press. Extremely useful if you often park in crowded areas or drive alone at night. Many drivers don't know this, so when they press unlock, all 4 doors pop open, unintentionally exposing the opposite side door to strangers. Each brand has its own secret method for entering programming mode. Ford uses the turn the key 8 times in 10 seconds trick. Toyota uses a button hold combination on the door controls. And many modern cars let you adjust everything directly in the settings menu. With just a few minutes of setup, your doors can operate exactly the way you prefer. More convenient and much safer. These hidden features may seem small, but they directly impact your safety, comfort, and vehicle longevity. Once you understand and use them correctly, you avoid unnecessary repair costs and stay more in control in every situation. Every car has secrets the owner hasn't discovered yet, and the more you know, the more safely, confidently, and efficiently you'll drive. Did this video help you out? Hit subscribe and help us reach 30,000 subscribers.